So here we have a 2018 1260S Multistrada with panniers and back box. The bike is stunning. The ride on it is gorgeous. The semi-active suspension does everything it says. Every write-up you read, it does exactly that. It takes the bumps. It's controllable even when tilted over. Brakes are outstanding, and I'm selling it because it's too bloody quick. You will be going in excess of speed limits too easily, too quickly, especially with the Pug touring screen that I've fitted. It just blocks any wind from you. So what have I got? Okay, we've got a brand new, this is a prototype exhaust from Delkevic UK. This bike is the first one from Delkevic with the pipe fitted. So if anyone's interested, they are fantastic boys there. Go to Delkevic UK and I'm sure they'll be able to sort you out. So we've got a Delkevic decatted titanium exhaust on the bike. Also I've got a bike track. It's now called All Track, which is a tracking system. If the bike's moved at all, it will notify you on your phone, or you'll even get a call from the people asking if you are who you are. As well as that, I have fucking hell, a bird shit on my bike. I also have an Innov K2 camera system, as you can see there, front and rear, as you see, with a DVR controller under the seat. The beauty of this, apart from forward and rear facing cameras, if the bike is moved when you're not around, the camera kicks into life and starts recording. So you can always see if anyone's been messing about with your bike or not. As well as that, I've got Ducati Rad shield. Also the additional shield there, cover the lower half, and also the oil cooler shield. We have a trickle charger connection, as you see, and a month ago I fitted Michelin PR5s. That's a month old. The front one is yet to be fitted because I had a bit of life left in this Pirelli, so when it goes for sale it'll have a brand new front tyre as well. We also have the Garmin sat nav, which is a pretty good bit of kit, as you can see. Typical sat nav, but Garmin do it particularly well. Touch screen, of course. You've got all your usual controls, which you'll find on other websites. I'm not here to tell you what it's got. You know what it's got if you're looking at one of these bikes. What else have I had done? Oh, I've had a bit done to this bike, but that's all I can remember for now. But let's hear the exhaust. This is what we want to hear. Engine's on. Here we go. Couldn't have it running too long, the neighbours will go round the bend. It's not got its baffle in, because why would you? I've also got the standard exhaust, and I've also got the standard screen to go with it. This is all for sale on eBay, and there's a clearer idea of what is actually on the bike. Mileage 6,000. Oh yeah, the most important thing, it's got an extended Ducati warranty. So this bike is a 2018 model and it's got a warranty until 2022. Who wouldn't want a bike who has got that sort of warranty? Centre stand, as you can see, big gap there now that the collector and the cat's gone. So much lighter as well. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed my video, and as soon as this is gone, we'll be looking for another bike.